Hi, readers. It's Mrs. Holbrook, and of course, my friend, Baby Echo. And as you can see, I'm here again with some other friends. Who do I have here? And who's this? And who's this? Who do you have, Carter? So, if you are in a place right now that you have stuffed animals or little friends, I invite you to pause the screen and go pick out a little friend to learn with us today. But don't let them distract you. Only let them help you with your reading and writing and spelling. Okay, so are you ready? You have your friend with you? Have your friend echo with us. Here we go. Repeat after me. B, bat, b. I want to hear everybody loud and proud. E, ed, eh. There we go. I, itch, it. Okay, repeat after me. You, up, Z, zebra, z. And now let's do the next part of our warm up where we have some standard cards. That means you guys are getting so smart with these ones that we're not going to do the whole story with all of them. We're just going to say the sounds, except for the vowel. A, apple, ah. Repeat after me. J, j. And I'm picturing that jug in my head. I know that's the key word, but since I already know that, I don't have to say it anymore. E, ed, eh. Good. What's that letter's name? E, and what sound does it make? Eh, eh, eh. Very good. K, k. And last one, X, x. I love making that X with my hands. Fantastic job, readers. Okay, we're going to do a little bit of word play. So I have 8 whole words here for you, and we are going to work on reading them together. So I'm going to highlight the sound. It'll look like this. It'll look blue. And as I highlight it, that's when you should be tapping it with your finger and saying the sound. Okay, let's try it. Get your fingers up. Here we go. Ugh. Mug. Drink out of your mug. Glug, glug, glug. Okay, get your fingers up. Tap and read this with me. At. What's the word? Hat. Put your hat on. Doo, doo, doo. I like your hat. Okay, tap this one with me. Lip. Lip. Good. Here's my lip. Can everyone do a little kiss with their lips? Nice job, readers. Okay, let's try this word. Fingers up. It. Hit. No, don't hit me. Okay, I want you to go back through yourself and read those 4 words. Nice reading. Let's do the next 4. Here we go. Tap it with me as I highlight it. Add. Mad. Show me your mad face. Okay, let's try this one. Tap it. Add. What's the word? Had. I had chicken for dinner. Let's try this word. Bit. Baby Echo bit me. Ah! And one more word. Tap it and read it. Bag. Bag. Carry your little bag. Okay, readers at home, read these 4 words all by yourself now. Okay, I spy a word that is something you wear on your head. Which word is something you wear on your head? Charlie? And can you find the word hat? Point to it on the screen. There it is. Everyone at home, did you point as well? Good job. Okay, I spy with my little eye a word that means angry. Angry. What's the word that means angry on this list? Mad. Can everyone point to that word mad? Yes, there it is. Let's do one more. I spy with my little eye a word that rhymes with tag. You're it. Which word rhymes with tag? Charlie, what do you think? Everybody, can you find the word bag on the screen? There it is. Great job, readers. Wow, you guys are impressive. Okay, we're going to do something a little bit new now. It's called Listen for Sounds. Listen, listen, listen. Okay, here's how we play this game. Baby Echo is going to tell us a word. And then you have to listen and tell me all the sounds you hear in that word. So here's the first one. Since we were just talking about this word, the word is mad. What sounds do you hear? A, d. Yeah. And we would build that word like this. A, d. Now listen to this word. Since the A says a like apple, we actually call that a short vowel. Can everybody say short vowel? Very good. The A says it's short sound. Now listen to this word. Made. Everybody say made. What are all the sounds in made? The sounds. That's a letter. The sounds would be aid. So there's three sounds, but listen, it said A. The A says its name, right? In mad, it says a, so that's the short sound. But in made, it says A. That's called the long sound. And when it's a short sound, we put a little thing called a brev over it. It kind of looks like a smile. So do this with your finger. This is the symbol we'd put over the A. Okay, let's listen to this word. What sounds do you hear in hope? Say them with me. Hope. Huh. Oh. Puh. The O says O, right? Oh, so that's the long sound. How about this one? Hop. Huh. Ah. So hop, the O says ah, like octopus. So look, we made the word hop. Cool, let's try one more listening game. Whoa, where'd that come from? Okay, clear cards, there we go. Here's the last one. Tell me all the sounds in pine. Say them with me. P-ine. Do you hear that the I says I? It's the long vowel sound. Now let's do this one with the short vowel sound. Pin. Look, I have a pin right here. It's a police officer pin. All right, what sounds do you guys hear in pin? P, in. Good. That's got the short vowel I with the brev. Make your little brev symbol. Fantastic job. Okay, it's time for you guys to do some work now. I need you to get your Velcro boards that look just like this board I have here. Okay, so pause the screen until you have that Velcro board. All right, you must have your board. Let's get to work. Okay, here's what I want you to do. Point to the letter that says I, 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 I. What are you pointing to, everybody? What says I? Good, everyone should just be pointing to their eye. Don't even have to move it. Okay, learners at home, what says V? V. Point to the letter that says V. V, okay. Now, one more. What says D, D, D? Point to the letter that says D. The drum comes first. What letter is it, everybody? Fantastic. Are you ready to build some words? Yeah. All right, let's spell some words. Here's your first word. Repeat after me. Lap, because baby Echo is sitting on my lap. Let's tap it out together. Get those hands up. Let's do all the sounds. O, A, P. Three sounds, so three cards. Go ahead and find those sounds. Oh, what letter is that? Ah. What letter is that? P, 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 p. Let's spell it together, guys. L-A-P. What's the word? Lap. Everyone put your hands in your lap. Slap your lap. Slap, slap your lap. And then you clap in your lap. Clap in your lap. Okay. So we're going to take lap and we're going to change out only one card. We're going to change it from lap to lip. Which card is going to change? The beginning, the middle, or the end? Listen closely, from lap to lip. We need to get rid of the middle and pick the card that says ip. There we go. Let's spell lip together, everybody. L-I-P. Lip. Okay, we're going to change lip to rip. Only one card changes. Which one is it, readers? From lip to rip. Get rid of that first card. That's right. And what letter do you need to put there to make it say rip? R. Very good. Let's spell rip, everybody. R-I-P. Okay, and we're going to change rip to say wrap. Do you know how to wrap? Not like wrap a present. This is like the type of singing, like I can't rap. Okay, what card do we have to change? App. The middle. What will we put there to make it say What letter says ah? Do it on your boards. Do it with me. A. Let's spell wrap. R-A-P. Wrap. Very good. Now, can you change wrap to say rat? Which one will change? That's right. Get rid of the P and go ahead. Put the sound there that says t. There's rat. Very good. And let's change rat to say our last word, mat. So get rid of that first card. And what's the first letter in mat? Very good, readers. M says mat. Wow. Did you guys know that you just quickly spelt 6 words? I hope I didn't go too fast for you. You can always pause if you need to as I'm saying the words. Okay, now your next job for today is for you to take all of your tiles off of your board and practice putting them back on in the right order. So we're going to end the video and you're going to work on putting all those letters back. And when you have them on, I want you to point and say their names. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Good luck with your ABC order, everybody. See you later.